Everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to change your background in um, Trello. First of all, we go to our Trello, and then we're going to click on one of my samples, and then we're going to go we're going to go right. You're going to see the three dots, and then we're going to click on change background. And you can also add your own background, but if you want, you can start using the one that are available from Trello. So I'm just going to be using one of these. But if I want, I can easily put a custom one, which I will in the video. So let's say that I want to make it pink, this color, orange, blue. Blue doesn't look nice, so I'm gonna do this one. Dark blue looks good. You can also add pictures from the Trello's own thing. So this one doesn't look nice, but oh frick. This one looks, nah, it doesn't look good. This one This one looks good. Yeah, this one. Hmm. Does it look good? I'm not sure. You can also add your own custom one. You can click on it and then let's say that you want to add this picture, which you can. So this is so easy. You can add like click on it. You can also change the options, make it like light text or cover the tile, like make it tile. And that's how you do it. So that was basically it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. We're uploading videos about Trello every single day, so please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you all so much for watching.